Welcome back to our channel. In the previous video, we reviewed 5 top desk chairs without wheels, each offering unique style and comfort for your office or home. Today, we're continuing our roundup with another selection of stylish and functional wheel-free desk chairs that are perfect for a variety of needs and spaces. Let's dive into these new options and find the perfect chair to enhance your workspace. Presenting the KithKasa Mid-Century Modern Swivel Chair. This stylish chair offers versatility with its 360-degree swivel base, allowing you to easily turn and engage with your surroundings. Crafted from high-quality fabric and featuring solid wood legs, it ensures durability and a unique odor-free experience. Okeysen Adjustable Office Chair with Detachable Armrests. A blend of retro and contemporary, this chair features detachable wooden armrests, offering flexibility to transform into an armless chair. It's covered in premium PU leather, available in a range of colors, ensuring it's both stylish and practical for small spaces. The sturdy base supports an ergonomic design, and the 360-degree swivel feature enhances mobility. Easy to assemble, this chair is perfect for bedrooms, offices, and makeup rooms. Sweetcrispy No-Wheels Office Chair. Combining functionality with aesthetics, this chair is designed for those who value comfort and simplicity. Built with high-density sponge padding, it offers firm support and an ergonomic back design for long hours of use. With a metal frame and durable fabric, this chair's lightweight design makes it easy to move, making it a great fit for any workspace or study area. AOVSA Modern Upholstered Armchair. This mid-century style chair is a great choice for versatile spaces. It offers a 360-degree swivel and is made from premium linen fabric for breathability and wear resistance. With solid wood legs and a thick padded cushion, it provides excellent comfort and durability. Suitable for use as a home office chair, dining chair, or makeup chair, this model fits seamlessly into various room styles and setups. Ergonomic Armless Leather Office Chair. Designed for optimal back support, this ergonomic chair follows the natural curve of your spine to promote healthy posture. It features a soft, breathable seat cover, thick padding, and a sturdy 5-pointed base for added durability. Ideal for both home and work environments, this chair can be used as a computer chair, desk chair, or gaming chair. Plus, it's easy to install and move, making it a highly functional addition to any setup. For product links, check the description below. For a wider selection of stylish desk chairs, visit chairlychairs.com to explore more options.